This is the third chemical reaction. It's also under N sub. You can see clearly from the chemical equation. It's reaction with the cyanide ion, right? So this is your nucleophile. Okay, these are alkyl halide leaving group being kicked out, and this is the alkyl group once again, and then the nucleophile went in. Collectively, I mean the product is known as a nitrile. Okay, this is a nitrile because you have the CN group, the nitrile group. The reagent is the one that is troubling everyone and the conditions, right? Now the reagent, obviously they need a nucleophile, yes. So the nucleophile is in the form of a salt. So it's either sodium or potassium cyanide, okay? So they'll dissociate completely. So all the cyanide can come out. But they are dissolved in what? That's the key word. It's called ethanolic. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the meaning called ethanolic? Listen carefully. Ethanolic means it is a mixture of ethanol and water. That's the meaning called ethanolic. A lot of y'all think it's ethanol. No. It's a mixture solvent or a mixed solvent, a solvent mixture. All right, what's the purpose of doing it? You improve the miscibility. Remember what's miscibility? Ability to mix. Why so? Which I'm going to share with you now. Okay, the analogy I'm going to give everyone is here. Put it that way. This is Sean Chua, right? So no hair. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is supposed to react, right? My wife, which last time is my girlfriend. When we come together, then we get married or whatever, okay? Then we watch movie or whatever, then we get married, whatever, right? You call it, okay? Then we become the product, okay? So they become the product. What happened is these two don't mix. The problem is they're immiscible each other. They don't mix well, don't come together well enough. Because why? Because there is no favorable interaction to get them together. You look at it. Cyanide ion is an ion. An ion usually dissolves in water, if you look at it, okay, or polar solvent. All these we're gonna go chem bonding right now. Hardcore, huh? So follow me closely. So there's no favorable interaction. So I give you this example. See, drama series. I am here. This is my girlfriend. We don't dare to talk to each other. I don't dare to talk to her because no commonality. I go and rope in my friend, which is water, and she will be roped in by a girl colleague. Are you with me? So it's like this. Take a look. Understand? Then now, don't you agree with me? We have a chance to go to GV theater, cinema theater to watch movie. Make sense? All right. And because of that, then we can mix together. I can say, hey, hello, my name is Sean Chua. What a nice movie. Very lame, but yeah. Okay. Now, why then like that? You ask me, how can it be like that? I'm going to show you this. Now, why KCN and water mix very well? Why my friend and me are very good friends? Simple. We are in chem bonding now. KCN is an ionic compound. Find space, river. This is your strong ionic bond. Correct? We're in J1. So K plus Cn minus. Then when you add water in, take a look what's water. Water is a polar molecule, remember? Yeah. Water is a polar molecule. So what happened is it has delta minus, delta plus, delta minus, delta plus, and then it forms the interaction. Would someone like to give me this name? Very good. Strong ion dipole interaction. Remember that, which is huge. And that's why potassium chloride, sodium chloride, all these they dissolve in water anyway. The simple stuff. And by doing so, it will then break what? It will therefore be able, it's also strong, break this bond. Make sense? So the Cn minus is a free ion come out and get ready to be a nucleophile. So basically you get like, therefore, like Cn minus nucleophile, ready to react. Right? Basically here is free, right? Free to attack. Then what about Rx and ethanol? Okay, so how come Rx and ethanol can like to come together? Because if you look at it, ladies and gentlemen, Rx is polar molecule, make sense? And ethanol, which is ROH, or you can say CH3, CH2OH, right? is also polar. So can someone tell me when both are polar, they have what kind of between them? What kind of interaction? Can I have the name? Quite strong, huh? Strong, PDPDIMF. Make sense? So that girl will be able to convince my girlfriend, which is just an acquaintance in the company, to go for the cinema. And from there, she's also available already. And that's where I take action. Okay, where am I? Light blue. Where am I? Orange color. And that's where I use a lone pair here and a tag. All right, I'll start to talk to her. Now, let me show you in terms of bigger setting. I'll just use the space here again. I love scribbling. Right. Science is about scribbling. Now, just imagine I never use ethanolic. Is it okay? I just use Cn minus potassium chloride. I just equals it. Is it okay? I say like that also give me OH minus one. Right, let's say. So if you look at it, if you do this, you will only have two layers. Why? I don't know which has higher density. Usually water, the aqueous layer is higher density. So I'll put it this way. So this is your aqueous layer. Okay, aqueous layer, which is this one, KCN. Right. So you have Cn minus around in the water. Everyone okay? Cn minus around. Top to bottom, you got a lot of Cn minus ion. But the Rx is a pure liquid. So the Rx will again be, all these are pure, right? Pure Rx. Is okay? This is the organic layer. Remember, all right? The Rx and the water, the interaction is not that strong and they don't mix together. That's the problem. So you tell me where can you find reaction? The only reaction is only at the surface. Are you with me? So the U is low, rate is slow. Make sense? Just imagine oil and water. So where can you let them react? At the surface or they touch each other? Make sense or not? Do you see how deep I go inside? I'm going to set up now using ethanolic. You take a look what happened with the matchmaking, remember? They will matchmake. Remember? Our colleagues, they are very good friends. So they will mix together. They say, hello, I am water. Hello, I am ROH. Hello, I am water again on our space. I am ROH. Everyone okay? And take a look. The water holds who together? The water holds Cn minus near to it. Make sense? Which is me and my guy friend, my guy colleague friend. We watch soccer together one. Correct? Whereby the girl, ROH, is the lady colleague of my girlfriend, and they always go shopping together. Can you see? So every Cn minus and every Rx are being encouraged to be close together forever. We use ethanolic KCN to react. If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.